Hello everyone, welcome back to TechBro. Today we are introducing a game changer in the world of PDF management, Wondershare PDFelement. Whether you are a student or professional, this software is packed with everything you need to create, edit and organize your PDFs effortlessly. In this video, we will break down its standout features including its AI driving tools and more best part. It works seamlessly on both iOS and Androids, giving you the flexibility to manage your documents on the go. Make sure to check out the download link in the video description. So time to put on your silly belts, let's get started. First of all, download it. After downloading, install this, and after installation, launch the software. And here is the software interface. PDFelement provides easy access to features like Edit PDF, Convert PDF, OCR PDF, Summarize PDF and more. First of all, open your PDF file. First up, let's talk about chatting with multiple PDFs. For this, you can upload multiple files from computer and ask anything from AI which you want. This feature allows you to summarize and analyze various PDFs at once. Imagine the time you will save, plus you can export these summarized as markdown files for easy editing and sharing. Have your every struggling with languages barrier. With the PDF translator, you can translate entire document or selected pages while keeping the original format intact. To use this feature, simply select the language you want to translate to choose or write the paragraph you want to change and hit the translate button, and that's it. This is the game changer. Let's move on the AI grammar check. This feature automatically checks your documents for grammar mistakes and offers suggestions to improve readability. It's like having your own writing assistant. On the top right corner, we have the AI knowledge card feature, one of my favorite tools. This feature allows you to create knowledge cards from your PDF summarize effortlessly, linking them to related documents. It's perfect for keeping all your information organized and accessible. In the edit section, you can easily edit text, add new text, add images and link just as you would in the Word documents. Whether you are correcting a type or updating details or replacing images, this software makes it simple. Plus you can customize fonts, colors and layout to give your documents that polished professional look with PDFelement. You can easily edit your PDF while maintaining both formatting and quality, making it an essential tool for all your documents need. One of standout feature is the ability to add a watermark, which is super simple and fully customizable. You can enter any text, choose your favorite font, adjust the size and modify the opacity to achieve the desired effect. Whether you want to mark a document as confidential, promote your brand with your logo, simply add a personal touch. PDFelement gives you a flexibility to position the watermark precisely where you want. You can easily highlight text, use a pencil for a drawing, and underline important point. But that's just the beginning. Enhance your PDF with tools like a typewriter, text boxes, call out, shapes, notes. One standout feature is the stamp tool, which lets you mark documents with custom or pre-made stamps like approved or complete. These features are not only ideal for collaboration but also make it effortless to share feedback and ideas with PDFelement. You will have everything you need to streamline your reviews process and enhance communication. In the Convert tab, transforming PDF file into various formats is a breeze. With PDFelement, whether you are converting a PDF to a Word, Excel or PowerPoint presentation, you can trust that the original layout remain intact. Simply pick your target format, select your save location and click convert to get started. It's that easy. PDFelement offers a variety of viewing options to enhance your reading experience. You can switch to single page view, two page view to easily compare documents side by side, Additionally, you can split the document vertically or horizontally. For more, flexibly need a break from reading the read aloud feature. This feature can read your PDF out loud in the lifelike voice impact of social media means, website, and application that enable user to create and share content or to participate in social networking.
Despite its many benefits, the internet poses significant challenges and risks. Privacy and security concerns have become increasingly prominent as personal data is collected, shared, and monetized by corporations and governments. High profile. Despite its many benefits, the internet poses significant challenges and risks. Privacy and security concerns have become increasingly prominent as personal data is collected, shared, and
You can customize the reading range, voice speed, and volume perfect. For multiple tasking, organizing PDF files in PDFelement is both quick and intuitive. You can easily extract specific pages, split large PDF, insert new pages, or rearrange existing ones. With just few clicks, the crop feature lets you adjust page dimensions effortlessly, while the rotate option ensures that your pages are perfectly aligned for a polished look. With these tools, managing your PDF document becomes seamless, allowing you to create well-structured and visually appealing presentation in the Tool tab. You can combine multiple PDF into a single document. You can also ability to combine two PDF which are perfect for reviewing. Additionally, PDFelement allows you to compare PDF file while maintaining quality, making it easier to share and store documents without sacrificing clarity. You have all the tools you need to manage your PDF efficiently. Protecting your PDF files in the straightforward with PDFelement. You can easily set an open password to restrict access control editing, right to manage who can make changes, specify print permission to ensure your document remains secure. This layered approach to security helps to safeguard sensitive information while maintaining control over how your documents are used efficiently. Sharing PDF file with PDFelement is both very free and convenient. With just a few clicks, you can send documents directly via email or generate a shareable link. Prefer mobile approach. Use the PDFelement app to scan and transfer file by simply scanning a QR code. This flexibility means you can share your PDF from any device anytime, making collaboration seamless. PDFelement is designed to streamline your PDF manager. You can focus on what truly matters. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech tips and tutorials. And thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.